Caffeine and Gasoline, Taranaki's inaugural event, has been on our calendar since the Showtime team announced it. I got the KP all ready, grabbed a couple of mates, Andrew in his lightly modified AE86, Russell in his 4A GTE powered KE30. I grabbed Tommy to join me, it was Father's Day after all, and what an event! We managed to catch up with the Torana, a KP Starlet that's driven, a 1982 Hilux with a V8 in it, but not the V8 you expect. And then at the end, a car 10 years off the road out on its first drive. Let's go.
Over there they're making all the nice hot coffee, they've got chicken chips and all the good stuff available. Sausage are on the go over here. $2 sausage.
That's cool, look at this.
You'll also find the toilet over at the convenience store as well if anyone's looking.
Wow, that's cool, man. 56. They're from 1956. Cool, eh? Don't you reckon?
Yeah.
Look how big it is. Yeah, that's so cool. Makes my car from the 80s look real boring and young.
And new.
Yeah, hard. That's pretty cool, eh, Tom? Oh, that's very cool, actually. Is it going up, is it? Yep. Cool.
Dirty.
That's fine. Ah, that's good though. Look at that. Nah, that's awesome. So what's it for? Is it just a tough street car?
It's just a GTR Torana. It's actually basically what I've found out so far, and it's pretty much an XU1. Because the XU1s have very few telltale differences between the GTR.
Yep.
But your body number and your model number, your 82911.
Yeah.
It's either a GTR or it's an XU1, and that's it.
Wow.
And that's what that body is, can be either one. But everything I've found on it with the extras that are in it, it's like a suspension. Only the XU1 has extra bolt holes in the suspension, so you can change your camber and toe.
Yep.
Stuff like that. And there's a few other telltales in it.
And have you managed to trace its history, or has it gone missing a bit?
It's gone fucking blank for a while.
Yeah, damn it.
Being in New Zealand for so long, it's been out for so long.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's cool.
That's so cool, man.
Yeah.
And it's driven. That's how it should be.
It's not got the right carbs on it, they should be SUs.
Yep.
When are we going to get you?
Yep. And what are they, 45s or 40s or 45s? Yeah. Wow. Drink a little bit. It's only proportionate, isn't it?
It's cheaper than the blown one I had. I've had blown fucking cars. I'll tell you, the blowers, you go to every servo.
Yep, you could even servo.
Yeah, you know everyone, mate.
Because you're stopping.
They're like, when you go home, oh, you're the way home, George. Yeah, mate. Yeah, just some more and I'll carry on to the next servo.
Oh, I love it.
That's just our take, mate.
Cool, man. Thanks, George.
No worries,
I'll see
mate.
you later.
All good.
What's a Type R over there, Tom?
Huh?
An Integra Type R. That's cool.
What's it got?
You're not used to pulling it up.
Hey. No, I don't think I've ever had a... Oh, the Prelude was white and a coupe, so yeah, that's it. It was similar. This video is brought to you by us, Gumboot Rally. Want to see roads you didn't know existed? Like meeting people, having fun? Join the largest automotive-themed scavenger hunt in New Zealand. Join our next adventure and see what you've been missing out. Gumbootrally.com. Book now. Back to the video. This is very cool as well. 8-banger, so it's obviously got a V8 in it. Oh yeah, look at that. Cool. That's so cool.
So maybe the first thing, maybe the first year that was invented.
Maybe too. Sorry, mate. That's so rad. That's cool, eh?
96.
Oh, it's got a
Yeah, it's got the plate 8 banger on it.
It's got the big old motor and the little light truck.
It looks massive for an 82 though. Is it American or something?
Maybe. Or has it got like 4 drive cards on it?
No, it was bought in an 82.
It's got. I think they've just rolled the fuck out of it.
It just looks too big for a car that old, if you know what I mean.
Because I've got a double cab.
I think it's because I normally.
4 drive one.
Maybe, yeah. Yeah.
Maybe. The wheels are
Yours
quite
is
wide,
about this
aren't
big, Dylan.
they? Yeah, it's double cab though.
Yeah, oh yeah.
That'll never be finished though. So.
Yeah,
Trade's huge, eh?
define finished.
It runs.
Yeah, that's all it needs. Keep wondering, eh?
Well, I found a bonnet. Good bonnet. And then cut up a bonnet.
It does too.
Dad, I felt like I've seen this car before.
Do you?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. It's very cool, actually.
Reminds me of that one that we saw
If
at.
anyone's after a sausage, there's a few sausages ready to go. Like
I know, we kind of reached the end of the chain.
We have.
What happened to the whole donation thing?
Oh yeah, that's right, we're going over there to do it. Yeah,
I love it, it reminds me of the 1980s.
does it? It's like a, I'm gonna guess 84? Is it 84?
I don't know, to be honest.
Fair enough, your dad's got good taste.
Yeah.
I've got the 82 just there, the
yep.
green one.
Yeah.
Fucking sick, man. What's in it? 4K?
Yeah.
Cool. 84, cracked it.
Look at that.
Look at me going. Oh, it's like I've owned 400 of them.
I'm the same with my scissors.
It's good to see that it's been used heaps.
Yeah.
Is that you or dad?
Both of us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice, real simple 4K, yeah?
Yeah. Well, it had twin side draft autos on it,
Yep.
but swapped it over.
Man. That's cool, man. These are my poison. I've had 14 of these.
Yeah.
They're so good.
Goes alright.
They do, eh?
Yeah.
Don't need much.
Nah.
Like I've got 100 horse on that and that's heaps.
Yeah, well, like I said, it had the twin side draft autos on it, but you just could never get it timed right.
Yep.
They were never in sync.
Yep.
So it wasn't as happy as this is now.
Yep. Man, so is that just the 32, 36 wheel, eh?
Yeah.
Yep, man. You know, they go forever, eh?
Oh yeah.
And they got so much fuel in them.
Yeah. Yeah. No, it's good time.
Cool, man. Thank you.
No problem.
Got the proper inlet on it. That's so cool, eh? Is it the proper one? It must be a late model one. They normally look middle, don't they? Or is that the Lotus? No, that's the Lotus. The Lotus ones look like they've got a muffler on the top.
Yeah.
Looks real, like, way too modern.
Shouldn't be plastic,
Nah. Inline 4 overhead valve.
Just fits.
It's a Pinto. Isn't it? Isn't it? Yeah, it's a Pinto. Yeah, man, that's got me knackered.
That's cool.
It is very cool. Oh, the bonnet's up on this now. Is this yours, man?
Yeah.
That's sick, man. What motor is that?
It's the 1979 Toyota Century, the Toyota Hemi V8.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
The, how they call them? V4? Yeah,
This
right.
is the V4. They did a V3 and a V5 as
Yep.
well. The V5's injected. Yeah, it's only a bit different, eh? So this motor was in a jet bow, and then a guy put it in a Starlet for a bit for a skid
Oh, yeah?
car.
Man, yep. That's my baby. I'll get one of them.
Yeah, he got the orange one.
Nah, just the Corolla. No, that's the Corolla. I've got the green one next to it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I've seen that rolling in.
Is it a handful in the rain, or is it just drive nicely?
Nah, it's pretty tame, eh?
Yep.
Really, pretty tame.
Because what sort of power are they, do you know? Or?
Yeah, not really. I haven't dynoed it or anything. It's
Yep.
it's virtually standard, apart from having a Holley carburetor instead of the Nicky, like the Toyotas
Yep.
have, you know.
And that's for reliability, is it? Or
Or whatever they have on it.
just what it came with?
No, it's just easier, like the what the early Japanese cars were like. That
Eisens,
vacuum lines going
Yep.
fucking everywhere.
Hey, Dad.
Yep.
Dad.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
Cool. Cheers.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. Cool. You gotta look at the motorbikes?
Look, and then you might want, I might have to do some good videos if you need some.
Maybe.
You might just need that little pizza.
It's cool, eh? His dog's got a little sidecar that he chills out on so they can go cruising together. It's pretty neat, eh?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, man.
Yeah, she's loving it.
Can I pet it? Is she all good?
Yeah, she's all good.
Hello. God, you're gorgeous, aren't you? Hello. Oh, we're mates now. Hey? Hey, hello.
Yeah, I had two black and whites, a red and white, a blue merle, and now the
By the way,
Gary.
Gary, how you going,
Yeah,
Gary?
and that's Pippin.
Hey, Pippins. Hey. Oh, it's nice to meet you, both.